wants to be beautiful and be a better version of themselves, not to be like someone. We can be a better version for ourselves. When it comes to lipstick, it's very important to have moisturized lips. Before applying lipsticks, we need to first prep our lips by applying any moisturizer or even raw aloe vera. Coconut oil is a good moisturizer for your lips. This is the easiest in the makeup, whole makeup. Even eye will be very complicated, but lips very easy. Even kids can apply lipstick. But before applying lipsticks, we should prep and we should understand our size of our lips and what color will suit our skin tone and dress and the place where we are going. Everything comes to consideration when you apply a lipstick. Consider the place where we are going and then your dress color and then first your skin tone. Depending on your skin tone, you have to apply your lipstick. If you are neutral, you can go for any color of lipsticks, but it has to suit your dress and the occasion. My lip is little small, so when compared to my eye and my face size, so I need to project it. So I need to give prominence to my lips. So everything should be in balance. If my eyes are very big, I can't show it more big. I have to reduce it. If my lips are very small, I can't make it more small. So everything should be in balance. So for small lips, we need to give a lip liner. Lip liner will pop up your lips. It will be easy for you to apply lipstick. It will be very comfortable for you. And there are so many types of lipsticks like matte, gloss, and then liquid lipstick. It depends on your taste. But when take my case, like I have a small lips, so I can't go for matte lipstick. Matte lipstick will not suit me, so I would prefer a glossy lipstick. But I can't do it very glossy because it has to suit the occasion. If I am going for a party, I can use more gloss. It will be attractive. But for official or any other kind of subtle occasions, we can't go with glossy lipstick, so we have to reduce. So that time we have to mix and match. Apply a matte lipstick and over that give a tint of gloss. So when it comes to color, and I have this Nykaa lip palette. Better if you have a palette with you, so that it will be easy for you. Only for lipsticks, I don't prefer sharing the lipstick. If you are sharing, make sure that everybody uses a individual brush, and it should be sanitized. You have a spray for that. That is alcoholic spray. We have to spray it if whenever we give to others our lipstick. So for me, if I go to some parties, if I want to go to parties, I will have this kind of bright color and I will mix with some this dull color. So it will give a nice, combination. Whenever you use a bright lipstick, we have to give a balance by adding a dull color. If you are very, if you like, you can wear, but I prefer making it subtle. If you have a very big lips and if you are applying a bright red lipstick and gloss, it will pop up more. So everything should be heavy that time. like your eyes, your foundation, your hairstyle. If everything is heavier, then you can go for bright red lipstick with gloss. When you are not going to have a heavy hairdo and heavy eye makeup and heavy foundation, then if you are giving only lips a bright look, it won't suit. I have taken this color, so which will suit my lips. So I am giving an outline. So you can see how the color suits me. Always take a lip pencil which suits your lip color. I'm lining till I can go beyond my lips, but see, this is going beyond my lip. And here I am going with the lip, but only here I have gone a very little bit outer to my lip. So you can see the difference, how my lips are popping up now. Now I am going to this nude color. This I'm doing for casual look. If you want it to be popped so much, you can highlight with the light colors so that it will pop up. This itself is little brighter in lighting, but it's very nude, like it matches my skin tone. And I am applying a gloss. This is a liquid lipstick gloss, so I am just giving a pop. Because my lips is little small, I am applying this gloss so that it has a nice look. Now you can see the difference how my lips is looking little bigger. So for bigger lips we have to do the other way. You should not go beyond the lip. So you have to be very careful while lining big lips, and also for smaller lips only here you can go beyond and nowhere else. If you go beyond whole lips it will look so awkward. Only in the top part where the arch is coming, that part you can little bit go beyond it. So if you give a liner and eyebrows and foundation, this will become very nice. This is my tip for the lipstick. And yeah, for bigger lips you should not go beyond the lips. Also you should avoid little gloss. Gloss should not be more, and the color should not be very bright. If it is a very big kind of occasion, good hair, good sari, good lehenga, like that, if everything is grand, then no need to think about the brightness of the color. You can have any brightness, any gloss which pop up your face. But for subtle functions, big lips should have little gloss, and thin lips should have little more gloss, and the colors also, thin lips should have more pop-up colors, and the big lips should avoid pop-up colors. So this is my perception of makeup. If you are having different kind of ideas, that is also good. Everybody has their own interest. This is for this can be taken, or if you don't like my suggestion, it's okay. So if you feel like it is good, please comment and subscribe. Thank you guys.